All right, part 2 talks about estimating. Again, when you can also estimate quotients of decimals by rounding the divisors. Choose compatible numbers that are easy to divide mentally. 32 divided by 3.9. We're going to round this to a whole number. The dividend is 32. So 3.9 to a whole number, that's a factor of 32. What number could go into 32? That is close to 3.9. And they said 4. And 4 goes into 32 8 times. So it's about 8. You can check by multiplying. If you want to check your answer, take 3.9 times 8. And you would get 31.2. And is that really close to 32? Sure. So you know what's correct. All right, the next one they have is filling in the blanks. Estimate 56 divided by 6.8. Round the divisor 6.8 to a whole number. What are we going to round that to? We're going to round that to 7. Well, I didn't read very well, did I? I'm sorry. I hope you guys have pencils today because I am really tired. The dividend, this says the divisor is 6.8 to a whole number. The dividend is what? And it's 56. I'm sorry. My fault. So round 6.8 to a whole number, that is a what of 56? Factor. It's got to be a factor of 56. Remember all that factoring, numbers that go into other numbers? So we're going to round 6.8 to, here's where we put 7. And then we're going to take 56 divided by 7. And if you look on your multiplication chart, 56 divided by 7 is what? 8. So 56 divided by 6.8 is about 8. Check by multiplying 6.8 times 8. And if we do that, 6.8 times 8, remember you can multiply any way you want to. This is just the way I'm doing it. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 6 is 48. 49, 50, 51, 54. Over 1, over 1. So that equals 54.4. And is 54.4 close to 56? Then we know we got it right. Alright, we are going to do these got it problems. I've been letting you do them on your own, but I want to make sure you have this down. So let's think about this. 54 divided by 9.16. What is a factor of 54 that is close to 9.16? How about 9? 9 times what is 54? 6. So our estimate is about 6. You can write that over here if you want to. About 6. Those squiggly little lines are kind of fun to draw. Alright, 10.75 divided by 99. What could 10.75 round to that would be close to 99? A factor of 99. I agree. 11. 11 goes into 99 9 times. So our answer is about 9. About 9. Alright, hopefully you're feeling a little bit better about today's lesson versus yesterday's lesson, because I know yesterday was really kind of tough, that last lesson we did. Let's go on to our guided practice. If you need to at any time, please feel free to go back and review this lesson. If you feel it kind of went fast, you're not keeping up, go home. That's why I do these video lessons, so that you can go home and check your work over. And really go back through it, slow it down, stop it, back it up as many times as you need to. All right, a Pacific leatherback turtle can have a mass up to 704.4 kilograms. An olive Ridley turtle can have a mass up to 49.9 kilograms. About how many times heavier is a Pacific leatherback than is a Pacific leatherback turtle? Explain your answer and why it's reasonable. So here they show us that 704 is really close to 700, and 49.9 is super close to 50. So they just estimated and they got an answer of 14. So a Pacific leatherback is about 14 times heavier than the old olive Ridley turtle. And if you check for reasonableness, if you did 50 times 14, if you did 50 times 14, you would get 700, and 700 is close to 704.4, so it checks off as right. I just rewrote that. I know it's written on your paper already, but it was really hard to see on mine. So I just wanted you to understand how you could check your work. All right, there are approximately 250.9 million cars in the United States. That is a lot. Spain has approximately 25.1 million cars. About how many times more cars does the United States have than Spain? Explain your answer. Man, do we have a lot of cars. All right, let's get this as close as we can. 250.9 is close to what? 250. And 25.1 is really close to what? That's compatible. Right, 25. Now let's divide 25 into 2. Can't do that, but we can do 25 into 25. We get 1. Bring down. Don't forget to bring down that 0. Just because it's 0 doesn't mean we skip it. 25 into 0 goes none. So we have about, I'm going to go over here and write my answer, 10 times more cars. All right, we are driving maniacs in the United States, people. 10 times more cars than Spain. All right, don't forget, as we're going through this guided practice, your objective today, we are estimating quotients. Quotients, the answer to a division problem. All right, let's try it out. 25 divided by 4.7. 4.7 is awfully close to what number that is divisible by 25, or is a factor of 25. Right, 5. 5 goes into 25 how many times? You got it, 5 times. So our answer is about 5. How about 41.79 divided by 7? Well, we need a number that is divisible by 7. What if we rounded this to 42? We could do that. If it does not tell you what to divide or what to estimate to, you can estimate to anything you want. Estimate to the whole number, estimate to something that factors into that number. As long as it's reasonable and it's close, you're okay. So 7 goes into 42 how many times? Good, 6. So our answer is about 6. All right, 984.76 and 38.1. This one is awfully close to what big whole number? Yeah, I would round up to 1,000. And 38.1, what could we round to that would probably go into that number? 50 would be a little high, but we could do 40. Let's see how that works out. 40, let's see, 10, 1 we can't do, 10 we can't do, 100, how many times would 40 go into 100? Good, 2, we would get 80, and 100 minus 80 is what? Yep, 20. How many times would 40 go into 20? 5. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 5 is 20. So it is about 25. All right, the average yearly precipitation for Gulfport, Mississippi is 65.3 inches. About how much precipitation does the area receive each month? Explain why your answer is reasonable. All right, 65.3, and we want to know, we got to have something that divides by 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So what number is close? How about 60? If you said 60, you're right. So 60 divided by 12 would be what? 12 goes into 60 how many times? And you get an answer of 0. So your estimation is about 5 inches per month. All right, finish the last one on your own. Rate yourself. If you have it right, you are on target. You're in the middle. On the outer ring, you need a little bit of help. If you're way off the target, you need a lot of help. All right, don't worry about number 5. I want you to go ahead and go on to the independent practice. Try it on your own. If you need help, let me know. Come in for some lunch tutoring. Make great choices. Make it a great day.